Hey, I'm Sarah. I know I just sent this adjustable desk. I'm so excited because I spend so much time sitting at my desk. To have the option to be able to stand and even walk on my treadmill while I'm working is amazing. So this desk came really well packaged. It has all of the pieces you need, easily identifiable in here. It has 4 locking wheels. So you can just move this thing around wherever you need to go. So if you want to go in the kitchen and use your laptop as a recipe holder, you want to walk on the treadmill, you just want to sit at a traditional desk, this can just wheel right around with you. This does all have steel frame. So it can actually hold 180 pounds on this. So we are going to assemble this and put it to the test. It does have the tabletop of 31.5 inches by 16. So that is a nice big size for this beautiful wooden top. And it has the cord holds at the back. If you did need to charge your device or anything, you can actually just put those right through the holes. And that will help clean up this top. So let's get to work. They did give an assembly guide on here. It says it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get that going. So step 1 is put our wheels in place. So we are going to add our wheels to the base pieces. Just right here, these will screw in. And they do give you a little wrench to be able to get in there and tighten that down as well. So then we're going to add these caps right to the top of here. And then we will add in our extra piece here. And then we are going to add in our cross beams. And these will just screw in on the side right here. So we are going to do that next. Once you get the screws in on the sides, you just take your little Allen wrench and you tighten them down. And then we are going to get the other side finished as well. So now we've got that part. We are now going to attach it to this side as well. And we use the longer screws on this side over here. Just keep in mind in the package, there are 2 sizes of screws and it tells you in the instructions which one to use where. So make sure you separate those out so you don't have it put together and then you don't have the right size screw. But I've got this part all together now. Each one of these wheels has a little lock on it to be able to move around or stay in place if you wanted to. All right, so our next step is to add the T-bar across the top here. And then that will just slide down into place. And then we're going to add the crossbar in as well. And this is also where it would then adjust right through here. Now we just add this piece in and then we'll be able to put on our tabletop. We take our tabletop and then we are going to screw in from the 4 sides. So it has 4 holes right here and you've got the 4 holes right here. We're going to put that on and screw it into place. All right, I did have this one step that I missed. It's just adding in this little bar at the bottom. So you should do that before you do the tabletop. And then you grab this little nut and you put it in on the other side. And that will tighten that down. And then we do the same thing on the other side. We add the bigger bolt at the bottom. And then we screw on the nut here. And then at the top, you will actually use your adjustable feet right here, and this is what will control and hold up the height of your table that you want it to be at. So then those screw in there, and now our table is complete. So now I've got my desk all set up, got my treadmill under here. I can actually put my hands right here. If I did want to work, I can easily get to my laptop and work. This is so much nicer to be able to move my body while I am able to be in front of my technology to work, to be available for whatever information I need to have and not be sitting all of the time. So this is really nice. It's nice and sturdy. It can hold up to 180 pounds. Then whenever you are ready that you want to stop and go off and do anything else, maybe even get tired of walking, you just want to take a break. So whenever you want to have it at a different height, you just use this right here and tighten that down. Move this, you can then lock your wheels in place whenever you get to a place you want to be at. Pull up a seat and just use it as a regular desk as well. So this is a nice, easy to assemble table. I love the steel frame on here. The size of it is perfect that you can hold your laptop, anything else that you're wanting to put on here. And it looks really pretty. It is not an eyesore. It's got a really pretty wood and this nice black steel.